Wagwan and what's up, my beautiful people? I'm just doing some backyard summer fish fry and festival cooking. Stay tuned and watch Wagwan. Got some parrotfish already on the way. Alright, this is the parrotfish. And then over here, so I gotta do some festival on the side. So this is a little Saturday evening backyard grill fish fry. Yeah. So chicken. The orange is developing. Yeah, then ready. So we do the parrotfish now. Yeah. So these fish, these darker fish skin up. These darker fish skin up. I'm gonna try out with it. You're gonna skin up. Alright, see them now? I take them out now because I don't want them to dry out, you know what I mean? I don't want them to dry out. Keep it.
Nice fried vegetable.
Don't press anything, okay? Just keep it like that. Nice. So guys, I just want to give a big shout out to all the new subscribers to this cooking and traveling family channel. And guys, while you're here, please give this video a like. If you like it, share it out also to your friends and family. Also leave some positive comments and let me know if this is how you do your festival and your uh, fry fish. This is some parrot fish that I fried, and I also use the festival mix. If you want some information about the exact festival mix that I use, or any other information, just reach me out in the comments. Guys, we are road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, let's hit it, let's go, let's do it. Subscribe, and look at the outcome. See you next time, guys.